welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for continuing to tune in to all of my videos. Those of you who have been, and if you're new here and you haven't been and this is the first time you're seeing my face, hey, what's up? Come join the fam. Hit that subscribe button. Hey girl, hey boy, hey. You already know all of the vibes. It's contagious vibes, literally. We're in quarantine. I want to go outside, okay? Ice cups are calling my name. They're calling me. I hear it. I'm back again today just to film a quick short video for you guys and just to tell you guys 5 things that you can do to level up after this quarantine, okay? Leveling up, let me just make this clear PSA before I start anything else. Leveling up does not mean that you need to spend $500 and invest into Forex or join a team or a business or start your own business. Okay, if that's what you want to do, if that's your cup of tea and you have money for that right now, by all means, girl or boy, start your business. And
this always happens to me every single time I'm filming. My throat wanna just make me sound like I'm a 40-year-old man.
Like, just why? I'm gonna just for a second. Let it settle in. You don't have to go to school, come home, go to work, come home, and that just is your life for the rest of your life. Like, that's not how things work. And there's so many ways that you can level up during this quarantine and so many good habits that you could start during this quarantine that can help you in the long term, help you in the future. So let's just get into it. I'm gonna look at the notes from time to time just so I don't mess things up for you guys while I'm talking, because I like to go off topic and be looking in the camera just to be interactive or whatever. The first thing out of the 5 things that you could do to glow up and level up after this quarantine is to create a routine, okay? Create a routine. When I say create a routine, I know some of y'all already have a morning routine where you wash your face a certain way and you wake up a certain way, you do certain things, and like a lot of people have that. There's like mad tutorials on YouTube of like girls like morning routine. Like, I know everybody has their morning routine already. But if you don't have a routine and you don't already have one, or if you fell out of your routine, start to try to get back into that routine, okay? Because we want outside to open back up by April 30th. I don't know about you, but like I said before, okay, summer is calling. I'm ready to listen. I've been working out and, you know, exercising, you know, trying to get the body. I'm so extra. Around the same time every day, guys, make sure you eat breakfast. If you don't like breakfast, you know, some oatmeal, some fruits, yogurt. It's so many things. You can make a smoothie. Even if you don't want to eat anything like lemon water, you know, just zazz it up. You know, zazz it. Like, put something together and try to, you know, get your body working and moving. Waking up every morning, the first thing that you should do before you even eat is drink some water, sis, okay? Your body has to re-regulate itself after digestion from the previous night. So you really don't want to just wake up and eat cereal. Like, just drink a glass of water and just let your body just do a really hard reset, like your phone. Like, your body needs that too. So waking up and having a morning routine and having a night routine is just 2 very important things, okay? Because you don't want to sit there and not have a routine and then you're waking up every day and you're like, I hate my fucking life. Like, of course, even though we can't go outside right now, it's up to us and to start these new habits so we could come out of quarantine snatched physically and mentally. The next thing is maintain your energy. This is so important. You ever been around someone, or you ever been around a group of people and your energy just feels drained, exerting yourself with unnecessary energy? Like, you just feel like you have to be hype around that person or people? No, sis. Or bro, we're not doing that after quarantine at all, okay? We're not doing that after quarantine. When we're around people, we tend to overexert ourselves and overuse our energy when it's unnecessary. During this quarantine time, we have an opportunity to be still. You have been alone. Whoever's texting you or calling your phone, or if you're on FaceTime, they're not gonna be there with you on the phone 24/7. Like, there's gonna be a time out of the day when you're gonna have to be by yourself and you're gonna be like, damn, like, this is really me. You're gonna look at yourself and be like, this is really me. I look in the mirror, this is really me right now. And I have to be okay with the silence. And silence is something that shit is definitely, I have to stop cursing, it's you were alone. You were alone for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes or however long you were alone for, if it was hours. And you're like, look at me. I'm just alone. I'm in silence, whether I'm watching Netflix or I'm watching TV or I'm even like sleeping or taking a nap. That same stillness that you felt while you were alone, you should be able to feel that stillness and talk to somebody without having to overexert your energy and be overhyped. Like, if you feel like you have to push yourself, that's where it's a no. I mean, does it make sense? Like, the same way you could be still with yourself is the same way that you could be still with the people that you're surrounded by. Moving on to number 3. Keep discipline. Discipline yourself. Listen, I'm not telling you to go and, catch a case on your own self. That's not what I'm saying. Keeping a discipline is very, very, very important, and this is not only for right now, after this quarantine. This is throughout your entire life, and these are life tips that I'm giving y'all. I'm dropping gems in this video if you didn't already know. Okay, this is discipline, right? If you're currently working towards a goal, even if it's a long-term goal, right? Like, you're in university right now and it's your 2nd year or 3rd year and you're about to graduate, and you're like, I can't with these online classes and life is too hard. You better stop complaining. You better get it together, okay? There's people in 3rd world countries that wish they could have some online classes right now. Well, America is like a 3rd world country with a Gucci belt on it, but we're not gonna talk about that. If you notice yourself taking out the time to accomplish your goal, that's a good thing. You're supposed to take out the time to accomplish what's most important to you first. All of that other stuff, when Outside open back up, everybody's gonna want to go eat crab legs, this, that, da-da-da, razaza, all of that. And that's cool. That's cool and everything. And I'm not knocking none of y'all to say that, you don't deserve to go outside and enjoy yourself. But don't forget that you have goals. If you have a business, take out a day out of the week and say, sis, I can't go out tonight, or I can't go out today for brunch because I gotta focus on making packages or changing my logos or developing my business, okay? If you want to be an influencer, if you want to be a brand ambassador, there's gotta be days, even when you don't feel like going out. Even when you don't feel like going out, or you don't have a fit, or you don't have the money in your bank account, and you're like, nah, can't go out right now. It's gonna be days you're gonna have to go somewhere and take some pictures, just to take pictures. Nobody don't gotta know. Influencers do it all the time. Like, literally, you have to put what's important to you. If you're in school right now and you have an exam and you're like, oh my god, I want to go to the club, I'm ready to go to the club with my friends. Let me tell you something right now. You better sit your ass home, please. So it's all on you. Just remember to keep that discipline, because if you don't keep that discipline, do what you have to do to keep that discipline. Set reminders on your phone. Okay, put something in your notes. Mark off your calendar. Get a whiteboard. Get an actual paper calendar from the store. I don't know what y'all gonna have to do, but discipline yourself, because you think you have time. Like, right now I'm 20 years old. I just turned 20. And when I was younger, when I was like 18, 17, I was like, I have time. Now, I don't have no time. I don't have no time. Like, everything I do, every single day that I live and I'm breathing, I am creating my future. So if I'm sitting down not doing nothing, what do you think is gonna happen? What do you think is gonna happen? Nothing will happen. You create your destiny. Okay? Cool. I got a little serious. I'm sorry, I had to lighten it up. It was getting too serious to me. I was like, damn, you didn't have to say it like that. Okay, moving on. Tip number, where we at? We got tip number 4. Don't support bad habits. This is for all of y'all teenagers. This is not for the kids and y'all grown adults, actually, because some y'all are adults. This is for y'all. This is for the people that know that they have a habit and it's bad. Okay, you know it's bad. Like me last week. You know what I did last week? And y'all want to know? And I'm gonna be completely 100% really up with y'all. There was a sale. There was a sale on Fashion Nova, and you know what I did? I went and I bought some shit. Haul coming soon, because I have a collective haul of stuff that I never wore. And if you want to see a haul, just make sure you like this video or tell me down in the comments. I went out and I spent money and I bought stuff, and I was like, you know what, why am I buying stuff right now if I'm in quarantine? I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to go outside. And I'm over here and I'm shopping right now. I'm shopping right now, and I'm not thinking about the effect that it has on my bank account. Am I even gonna wear this? I'm not thinking about it, because I have so many clothes. Okay, I have so many clothes that I just haven't worn yet, and I'm buying more clothes, and I'm not gonna wear those clothes yet. And it's just a never-ending cycle. So retail therapy is not okay. You don't get to do it. Don't do it. Stop doing it. Whenever you know what you do? You go to your bank account, whatever bank you have, you open your account when you're sad, right? And you look at the balance, okay? And you say, I have such and such much money in my account, and that makes me happy. That is what should be making you happy. Not going out and spending the money that you work so hard to save. You're supposed to be continuing to save that for times like this. Stack your bread, okay? Stack your bread. I'll give you another analogy just to round it up. Let me give you another analogy just to round it up. Would you rather 3K in your bank account or 3K worth of material things? Answer that question for me in the comments. Let me know in the comments. Moving on to the last tip. Keep up yourself. Keep up yourself. If you coming out of bed one day and you're like, damn, I don't like how I look coming out of bed today. Whatever you gotta do to make yourself not look like a bum. Okay, you're supposed to like your face and enjoy looking at yourself and be like, damn, like I'm cute or whatever. But like, don't fall off. Okay, a lot of y'all don't know how to do your own hair, do your own nails, whatever. Find a way to make yourself look good. If you can't do your nails, paint your actual real fingernails. If you can't do your hair, do a nice slick back bun or ponytail. Like, I know y'all got hair. Y'all got enough hair. Go to the beauty supply store and buy a ponytail real quick. Not all beauty supply stores are closed. There are some that are open. Google is your friend, okay? Okay, you're a baddie. You gotta remember, you have appearances to keep up. Keep up. Okay, if you know who you really are, keep it up. Okay guys, so before I end this video, of course, I had to come with a little bit more. This is just gonna be a quick unboxing for Sunber hair. A 14-inch water wave Brazilian hair wig. Okay, this is 100% virgin human hair, and I'm just see me open this. I'm so excited. Let's just take a look. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. The retail therapy that I'm talking about. I'm not trying to tell y'all, you know, I know I just said about retail therapy and all of that, but either way, like, if you have the money to spend, you know, why not? And ooh, they gave me lashes. They gave me cute little lashes in the pack. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna put these on my wig head so she could be blinged out. She could be cute with me. And here we have the wig in here. This wig did come with a wig cap. So the hair comes in like a plastic, and it comes with like a more fluff in there. I got this wig actually a while ago. The hair was placed in a hairnet when I first received it, but I wasn't able to do the review because I was waiting until quarantine was over. But as you can see, obviously that's not what happened. Just fresh out the box with nothing done to it. As you can see, it is very, very soft. Okay, soft to the touch. You know, curly hair is not always going to be as soft as silky straight hair, but this is pretty soft. It's not dry. It's super, super nice, super, super cute. I can't wait to wear this, especially in the summertime. I love, 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 love to have curly hair during the summer. So like, show y'all that lace. Oh, I like Sunber hair. Okay, I can't wait to do a video. Comment below if you want to see a video of me installing this wig. Like, guys, I'm about to cry right now because I'm just so sad that we can't go outside. Like, niggas say they outside. Send Addy, we gonna slide. Like, that's how things are supposed to be. I don't understand right now. I'm devastated. Definitely gonna put the details on this wig if you want to purchase in the description box. Ooh, look at those curls. So cute. Like, look at those curls. I love this hair. I love looking at this hair. I love feeling this hair. I know when I wear this hair, my hands is gonna be all up in this hair like this. Like, I'm gonna be like all up in it. I already know. I could already tell already by feeling this hair. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you are still here and you made it all the way to the end, you know I love you. And you're my baby forever. Ooh. Please hit that notification bell so you can know when I drop another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All three things, they go hand in hand, and we can be best friends if you follow me or add me on social media. I love you guys so much, and until next time, bye.